Hi guys, this video will show you on how to make and upload video on LinkedIn. First, I will show you on how to make a video that can be shared on your LinkedIn account using the LiteMV. Simply go to its official website and then hit the Get Started button. Scroll down the screen to select a template and then click the Select button. From here, hit the plus sign icon on the screen to add a file that you need. Click the Produce button and wait for the video to be processed. And that's it. Your video now is ready to share on your LinkedIn account. Now, I will show you on how to share the video on your LinkedIn account. Go to the site of the program and then hit the Start a Post button and then choose the video icon and select the video that you made from the LiteMV. Edit the caption of the video according to your choice and then wait for it to be rendered. And that is the process on how to share a video on your LinkedIn account. Thank you for watching!